What is up, guys? Just wanted to come on and do a quick video and give a quick review on some video editing apps that I have tried. So keep watching. So the video editing app that I just used was free Splice, and you'll see in this video capture that what the logo looks like. Downloaded it for like 2 seconds, didn't like it. As you can see, when I try to click on where it says begin here, it takes me to download Musically, and that's not what I want. I want to be able to edit videos for free. So as you can see, I still keep clicking around. I just end up closing out of it and then deleting the app because it's just no good. And let's move on to the next one, which is RIPL, and get ready to see that screen capture. Okay, so I typed in RIPL, and as you can see, it says make eye-catching videos. And what I was hoping to do with this app was to make videos or little picture slides of my products that I sell on eBay with this video editing app, so that I could upload it onto my social medias. Well, as you can see, one of the first things you have to do is log in. Unfortunately, most apps make you do that, so I'm going to go ahead and try to do that now. Oh, it already went ahead and logged me in. That is awesome. So as you can see, on May 10th, I did make a video. But one thing you want to know about this editing app is that if you have pictures you want to edit, make sure they are in the correct position, I guess. As you can see in that first picture right there, it's adding it's not positioned correctly, and within the app you cannot change that unless you buy the pro version, which I did not, and it's not going to let me play it. Also, another thing to note on this app is that see how it has the title diagonally in blue? You cannot change that title on each slide unless you have the pro version, at least I think. I don't know for sure because I don't have the pro version, but I assume that you would be able to do that in the pro version. One more thing, if I could ever get this thing to download or play, it's loading. Maybe I have too much stuff open. One more thing that I wanted to make note of is that it doesn't let you edit the length of time it displays the picture, at least not in the free version. So I would hope in the paid version it would let you do that. This has the potential of being a really good app for like making slideshows and editing videos. Oops. But as a free version, I don't really see any upside. I've used better apps. So we're just going to close out of this because it's not working and move on. Let's see. Okay, so the next app that I will be reviewing is the Quick app, which is super awesome. You can add in any pictures, videos, or anything that you want. I already made one, and it has so it's really cool. You see, it let me put the title on there. It let me do a like intro. It also lets you slow down the speed of or the duration of the picture. If you do a picture, you can trim the video also. It just has so much functionality to it that I really like it. Let's see if I can make another one really fast. We'll use some other items that I haven't put in there. So So I have like these Dooney and Burke purses, so we'll add that one. We'll add this one, this one. We'll add this one and this one. We'll add mini and add this. Maybe those. Okay, and then we hit this check mark. And then we could do a title, so we'll put more. And we'll put checkout our eBay store. There we go, continue. All these different titles that we can pick. It's really awesome. And you could go to sound and change it to the different things. You can also do the duration of the song and maybe the different kinds of landscape, I guess it is, and then music start, font, palette. Ooh, it just has all these different things you can do, and you can turn off the outro. So it's just a really good app if you're looking for something. If you're looking for something to use that's quick and easy and spits out a nice little video, then this is the app for you.